Hello everybody, it's Tino's Messy Crafty Life here, and I have a couple orders that came in, and stuff I bought from a sale, and in an order. So let's start out with the sale. The first items I bought from a sale are from Jellybean. She had these cool neon tags. Aren't they all awesome? And Donna's ×3 ribbon matched these tags. And I was like, yep, I need those in my life. So I grabbed those. And then it's a nice little thank you card. And then a little thank you package. So let's check this out. And Jellybean and Donna ×3 do have sales. I'm going to say every 2 weeks. I will link Jellybean's channel and Donna's so you guys, because I don't know if they flip-flop. I just happen to like, oh, sale, click. So I don't kind of pay attention whose channel it's on. I should, but I don't. So let's see. Her little package says thank you. Oh, and it came in this little yellow bag, which I'm keeping. And I smell mint. Ooh, smells good. Little envelope. Oh, look at it. I love little blingy little envelopes with goodies in. So I got a couple breath mints. Some bling. Some orange spiced tea. And let's see. We've got some tags. Some tickets. I love tickets. Playing cards. A little wood piece, and it says stay safe, love Jellybean. Oh, and hand sanitizer. No, that's creative. Cool. That's a cool little thank you. See, I like these things. I love happy letter or pocket letters and you get goodies. It's just, even if I get asked, do you use them? Sometimes there's some stuff you wonder what you're going to use for. But it's the thrill, I think, of like opening the little goodies. Like, everything in here I'll use. I'll put that hand sanitizer in my purse. But I'm going to have me one of these right now. Lose that. So, like I said, I will put Jellybean's channel as well as Donna Dream ×3's channel. They have a sale every 2 weeks. I want to say on Wednesday. I think it's today, matter of fact, or tonight. I may be wrong. Don't quote me. And then, my next item, my order from Dark. It's Hague's Hollow. Dark Sanctuary, a.k.a. Hague's Hollow. I love her blue. So, let's check it out. She always packaged this stuff so nicely. So nicely. So we got the tags that she dips. Awesome. We got these little tags that have words on. Her coffee filters, which are always so awesome, which I can never figure out how she does. Mine, when I try, go all the way. Me and Allie have tried them, the granddaughter. We got some, like, old library cards. And that, tickets. Library cards. Cool. Cool. And then she has it. Oh, let's go this way. And then we got like index cards, different sizes. Some music paper, dictionary paper, and a couple envelopes. And then the paper itself. And I'm not gonna undo it. I want to leave it band up till I use it, but I'll kind of do like a little flip. So we have a piece. What's this say? A document. Some blue. There are pieces, like computer pieces, waxy, and then some more like there, notebook paper. Love it. Look at that. I love this. I love how she get a design in it. like cardstock field paper. And then like printer size paper, I believe. I could be wrong. I'm just saying. That's what it feels like. But look at the design. It's just cool. Awesome. I will have both these ladies' channels linked in the description box below. So please go give them a shout out and see what's up going on Amy's channel. And I will talk to you later. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.